Named after the famous Moroccan explorer Ibn Battuta, the airport serves as one of the main gates to the region for both domestic and international travelers. The airport has many modern amenities and services, including many shops, restaurants, and cafes, as well as car rental services, currency exchange, and luggage storage. Travelers also have access to a number of types of land transport, including taxis and shuttle buses, which makes it easy to get to and from the airport and continue their journey through Morocco due to its convenient location and a wide range of services. Tanger Ibn Battuta International Airport is a popular choice for travelers in the region and an important transport hub for the city of Tanger, regardless of whether you are planning a business trip, vacation, or just a stopover on the way to another destination. The airport offers a comfortable journey. This airport accepts flights from Europe and domestic flights Royal Air Maroc, Ryanair, Iberia, Air Nostrum, Air Arabia Maroc, and others. On the street at the curb there are large taxis that will take you to your destination for a fixed amount in dirhams. At night it is higher. Official taxi prices are posted on the inner wall next to one of the doors. There is a large parking lot across the street in front of the airport, which you can use for a small hourly fee. Whenever I arrive or depart from this airport, I am reminded of how much Morocco has modernized. After the airport, we get to the National Highway of Morocco. It connects Gergert in the south near the border with Mauritania with Tanger on the northwest coast of Morocco. It is an important highway running along the western Atlantic coast of the country. It passes through Rabat, Larache, and other important cities, and for a significant part of the Rabat-Tangier section runs parallel to the A1 Rabat-Tangier expressway. It is the longest national highway in the country. Between Tan Tan and Tarfaya, the route passes through the Henifiss National Park. National Route 1 is part of a major transport corridor that runs from Morocco through Mauritania to Dakar in Senegal. We are going shopping in Carrefour. Carrefour Maroc is a partner of the Moroccan supermarket chain La Bellevue. All La Bellevue stores have been converted to Carrefour Market. There are 30 of them scattered all over the country. Carrefour continues to expand its presence in Morocco, opening more and more supermarkets and hypermarkets to withstand fierce competition such as the Moroccan hypermarket chain Marjane.
ايفينمون مشاركين فيه 70 شاب مقاول بغاو يطوروا المهارات ديالهم الشخصيه والعمليه بحضور بزاف ديال المتخصصين في الميدان ديال المقاوله. وزاره الصحه والحمايه الاجتماعيه عندها على مبادره.
National roads, called in French routes nationales, a blue taxi on the Moroccan national road. National roads are generally in good condition, but narrow due to heavy traffic. In 2009, the length of national, regional, and provincial roads combined was 625 miles 57, 330 for kilometers. Be careful, public transport drivers, especially blue taxi, behave unpredictably and undesirable. Their main goal is to maximize their profits by taking big risks. Always avoid them wherever possible, whenever possible. Always give preference to motorways rather than national roads. Greatest services, staff is good and fast, and especially no one is rude to the clients. I appreciate the known Shell station that is always Curahan on a key, but it's my favorite here. In Tanger, well, served friendly card payment without even getting out of the car. For more than 15 years, Shell has been using the experience of Shell international scientists to introduce innovative, cutting-edge products in Morocco. Shell offers you a new fuel formula using Shell's most advanced technology, Dynaflex technology, designed to keep the engine clean and protected, improve efficiency and productivity. Dynaflex technology is the latest generation of Shell technologies for gasoline and diesel mixtures, the result of intensive testing over more than 3 million kilometers and more than 250 vehicles. Tangier, the cosmopolitan city, in the north of Morocco, on the coasts of Tangier where the Mediterranean and Atlantic waters converge. You'll discover a unique city bearing a multicultural heritage. Stroll the streets of the white Tangier, they are lined with lime-coated houses, just like Delacroix or Matisse did there upon arrival. Let yourself be carried away by the dreamy atmosphere that covers the city. At the foot of the high walls of the Kasbah, roam through the alleys of the Great Sako, and admire the fortress that dominates the Medina. A little far away, explore the Sultan's Palace, which is nowadays dedicated to the arts of Morocco. Tangier is also renowned for the Spanish influence on its culture, starting with the arena that stands on the Plaza de Toros, not to mention the Cervantes Theater built in 1913.